Good morning students, this is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, SDSTPS, AP Genco, Nail Tour. In this video, we are going to discuss cylinder and exercise 10.2 problems related to chapter 10, surface areas and volumes. Definition of cylinder. Cylinder consists of two circular bases of equal area in parallel planes that are connected by a lateral surface that intersect the boundaries of the bases. Next, parts of a cylinder. A cylinder has two main parts, that is a rectangle and a circle. Two circles really put together they make a cylinder. Example for cylinder, the soup can. Observe the picture. Think of the cylinder as a soup can. You have the top and bottom lid. Its shape is circles and you can have the label a rectangle wrapped around the can. The lids and the label are related. The circumference of the lid is the same as the length of the label. Next topic, surface area of cylinder. We have to derive the formula of surface area of cylinder, that is right circular cylinder. Observe the picture. Consider a right circular cylinder of radius r and height is small h. Observe the second picture. You will find it is in rectangular shape. The area of rectangle is equal to the area of curved surface area of cylinder. Its height is equal to the breadth of the rectangle and the circumference of the base is equal to the length of the rectangle. So, height of the cylinder is equal to breadth of the rectangle. That is h is equal b. Circumference of base of cylinder with radius r is equal to the length of the rectangle, that is 2 pi r is equal L. Therefore, area of the lateral surface area of the cylinder is equal to area of the rectangle. We know that area of the rectangle is equal length into breadth. That is called, here L is indicate circumference of the circle. We know that formula is 2 pi r into breadth. Breadth means it is indicate height of the cylinder h. That implies 2 pi r into h, 2 pi r h square units. So area of the lateral surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h square units. Next we have to find total surface area of a cylinder. Observe the figure. Do you find that it is a right circular cylinder? What surface you have to add to get its total surface area? They are the curved surface area and the area of two circular faces. Now the total surface area of cylinder is equal to curved surface area plus area of the top plus area of the base. That is area of the curved surface area plus area of the two circular surfaces. That implies we know that area of curved surface area is 2 pi r h plus area of two circular faces. We know that area of circle is pi r square. But in this case we have to calculate area of two circles. So 2 pi r square. Observe here 2 pi r is a common term of the both terms. So separate it 2 pi r into and remaining part is h plus r. Therefore total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Next we have to find volume of cylinder. Take circles with equal radii and arrange one over other. Do this activity and find whether it forms a cylinder or not. In the figure, r is the radius of the circle and h is the height up to the which the circles are stacked. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to, we know that area of the base into height. But here area of the base is represent area of the circle. Then area of the circle is pi r square and height means h. That implies pi r square into h, pi r square h. So volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h, where r is the radius of a circle and h its height. Next topic, hollow cylinder. A hollow cylinder is one which is empty from inside and has some difference between the internal and the external radius. Examples of a hollow cylinder is tubes, circular buildings, straws, and etc. Let us start exercise 10.2 problems. A closed circular tank of height 1.4 meters and radius of the base is 56 centimeters is made up of a thick metal sheet. How much metal sheet is required? Answer expressed in square meters. Solution. Height of a cylindrical tank h is equal 1.4 meters. Radius of the base small r is equal to 56 centimeters. Here centimeters convert into meters because the answer represent in square meters. We know that 1 meter is equal 100 centimeters. So centimeters is convert into meters. Then the given number divisible by 100, that is equal 56 by 100, that is equal 0.56 meters. Therefore, metal sheet required is equal to total surface area of the cylinder. We know that total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h, that is equal 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r means 0.56 into r means 0.56 plus h means 1.4. Next step, 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.56 into add bracket numbers 0.56 plus 1.4, 1.96. That implies 2 into 22, 44 into here 0.56 is divisible by 7, we get 0.08 into 1.96. After multiplication we get 6.8992, that is equal 6.90 square meter. Next question, the volume of a cylinder is 308 centimeter cube. Its height is 8 centimeter. Find its lateral surface area and the total surface area. Solution. Volume of cylinder is equal to 308 centimeter cube and height h is equal 8 centimeter. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h, that is equal 308. Next step, pi means 22 by 7 into r square into h means 8, that is equal 308. Next step, r square is equal to send it to 22 by 7 and 8 to the right side of the equation. It becomes 308 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 8. In the next step, 308 is divisible by 22, we get 14 into 7 into 1 by 8. In the next step, 14 and 8 divisible by 2, we get 2 7 ja, 2 4 ja, and 4 we can write in denominator 2 into 2, that is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Therefore, r square is equal to 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, we can write 7 by 2 whole square. Then both sides square will be cancelled. Then we get r is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Next, we have to calculate lateral surface area of a cylinder. That is equal to 2 pi r h. That is equal to 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r means 7 by 2 into height means 8. Here cancel 7 7 and 2 2. Then we get 22 into 8, 176 square centimeter. Next we have to calculate total surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r into r plus h. That implies 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r means 7 by 2 into r means 7 by 2 plus h means 8. That implies here cancel 7 7 and 2 2, we get 22 into find the LCM, that is 2. 7 plus 2 8 is 16. Next step, 22 cancel with the 2 table, we get 11 into 7 plus 16, 23. After multiplication we get 253 square centimeter. Therefore total surface area of cylinder is 253 square centimeter. Next, third question. A metal cuboid of dimensions 22 cm into 15 cm into 7.5 cm was melted and cast into a cylinder of height 14 cm. What is its radius? Solution. Dimensions of a metal cuboid 22 cm into 15 cm into 7.5 cm. Therefore, volume of the metal cuboid is equal to, we know that volume of the cuboid is equal L into B into H, that is 22 into 15 into 7.5 cubic centimeter, and height of the cylinder H is equal 14 centimeter. Radius of the cylinder R is equal question mark. Therefore, volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the cuboid. That implies, we know that volume of the cylinder is, formula is pi r square H, that is equal 22 into 15 into 7.5. That implies pi means 22 by 7 into r square into H means 14. That is equal 22 into 15 into 7.5. Here 14 is divisible by 7, we get 2. Then 22 and 2 send to right side. That implies r square is equal 22 into 15 into 7.5 by 22 into 2. Here cancel 22 and 22. Next step, r square is equal 15 by 2 into 7.5. We know 15 by 2 means 7.5. Therefore, r square is equal 7.5 into 7.5. Then 7.5 into 7.5 we can write 7.5 whole square. Then square cancel, we get r is equal 7.5 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the cylinder is r is equal 7.5 centimeter. Dear children, today home assignment is read the concept of cylinder and copy exercise 10.2 problems in paper 2 book. Thank you.